How to withdraw from Blockfi wallet. Hi everyone, in order to withdraw from Blockfi wallet, in order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is up to date, and then to begin with, open up a browser or open up an application and then log into your account. In my case, I'm using a web browser. If you're using a mobile device or an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. And then to begin with, first of all, log into your Blockfi account by entering your credential and click the login button. So as soon as you're logged into your account, this is going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. Now right on this page, all you have to do is just tap the try bar icon located in the top right hand side corner. After that, a drop down menu appears, and from the list, go ahead and select profile set. It's going to take you to this page where you'll need to go ahead and select withdraw. So from the top, you select withdraw. Next page, it's going to ask you to select an asset, what you actually want to withdraw. Now you need to go ahead and enter in the wallet address where you actually want to withdraw. Make sure that allowing list is on, and in the Blockfi, click on withdraw and select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Once you're done selecting it, enter the exact amount of crypto that you wish to transfer, and then confirm it by going through all of the information that you've provided. And as soon as you do that, you'll be notified with the statement stating that you've successfully withdrawn from Blockfi wallet. In this way, you can withdraw from Blockfi wallet. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.